This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Honda Pilot. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, heated seats, 10 perfectly positioned speakers, XM satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, a locking rear differential, hill start assist, alloy wheels, roof rails, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a leather-wrapped shift knob, a passenger side vanity mirror, front side impact airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, front seat height-adjustable active head restraints, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and this vehicle has less than 43,000 miles. In addition to the innovative engineering and quality manufacturing that is part of every Honda, this certified Honda includes an exhaustive 150-point mechanical and appearance inspection, an additional 1 year or 12,000 miles of non-powertrain equipment warranty coverage on top of what's left of the original new car warranty, and 7 years or 100,000 miles of powertrain warranty coverage. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.